Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying your console is updated and you're signed into the PSN account you'll protect. Once done, position your controller and, if used, the phone for verification. Next, choose a numeric passkey length between 4 and 8 digits and commit it to memory. This is both your quick unlock and recovery step. Now open Settings, then Users and Accounts. Do not skip straight to other menus. You're starting the passkey creation process deliberately, so follow each prompt as it appears. You now walk through the configuration screen. First, tap Sign In and Security and pick Passkey. The system asks you to enter the numeric code you decided earlier. Enter it once, then confirm it. Make sure both entries match exactly, because mismatches lock the flow. Once created, choose whether the passkey is required only at sign-in or every wake. Require on wake is more secure but slightly slower to resume play. Save changes, and make sure any secondary accounts are updated if needed. You finish by testing the new passkey. Sign out, then sign back in to confirm the code unlocks your account. If the passkey fails or you're locked out, use PSN account recovery on your phone or PC. Make sure you have email access for verification. If recovery isn't possible, prepare to restore the console with your PSN credentials. Note that this may require reconfiguration. And finally, if you suspect compromise, change the passkey immediately and keep a secure backup method for recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.